Hello there, foreign beauties. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be a fun one because today we are going to get all of this together. Your girl has been feeling busted and disgusted. My hair needs to be washed and have something done with it. My face has been breaking out, so we need to do us a nice little face mask. So we're gonna do hair, skincare, body care. My legs are hairy. We're gonna have to shave them bad boys. So we're gonna have just a little bit of a self-care, and I'm gonna share with you guys the products that I use and everything that I do, because we need to like change the energy around here because I am not feeling it. Okay, we'll also be announcing in this video the winner of the Zenobia giveaway. So we're gonna start off with the hair. I'm firstly gonna start off with detangling this hair before I even step into washing it. Old wash and go, it has probably been like maybe 2 weeks. I'm gonna go in with a Y2 comb and some of my Maui Moisture hair mask as a way to just detangle this mess. Okay, you guys, so we're all done detangling. This is what we are looking like, okay? And I never want to leave my hair that long ever again. When I tell you bird's nest, bird's nest, okay? So now I'm going to go ahead, we're going to jump into washing my hair. I'm going to use the Shea Moisture's Coconut Hibiscus Curl and Shine Shampoo. I've been trying to use this up because I've had it for some time. So now that we are all washed, okay, we are now going to put in the deep conditioner, okay? So the deep conditioner that I'm going to be using is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Hash Oil Strengthening Deep Conditioner. I love this stuff. I've been using this for a long time. If you are OG, triple OG, y'all know this is my jam, along with the leave-in conditioner. So I'm going to put this in my hair for about 30 minutes because I'm not going to be using any heat. Kind of smells like Play-Doh, but so it looks like. This stuff seems like it's a lot thicker than what it used to be. Like that stuff is thick. It looks like if they made it like thicker. Look at it. It's like thick, like, okay, Shea Moisture. But we're just going to take it and I'm going to apply it to my hair. Okay, you guys, so deep conditioner is all in my hair, thoroughly saturated. Your girl does not play when it comes to deep conditioning world, especially because my hair really needs it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to place my hair into a ponytail and let this sit in my hair for 30 minutes. Okay, you guys, so we're about 16 minutes into this. My conditioner is sitting in my hair, and I'm going to do a face mask, but first I have to cleanse my face. And the face mask that I'm going to be using, I think we keep it on for 10 to 15 minutes, so I kind of like want to put it on now. Now I'm going to do our facial, so I need to cleanse my face. I don't know what I want to use to cleanse my face. I have so many like skincare products, you guys. It's ridiculous. So we're just going to use my Teami Superfood Cleanser. This one here, I've talked about this in a full video. I have a link above and down below because I kind of want to go for more like a detoxing face care routine right now. So we're just going to jump right into washing my face. Few pumps. Okay, so now that my face is nice and clean, we can go ahead and we can put on the face mask. The face mask that I'm going to be using is a detoxifying clay mask by Burt's Bees. I've used one of their face masks before. I don't think it was this one. I think it was a green one that came in a little tube like this, and I really liked it. So I went ahead and I picked this one up, and I'm kind of bummed because I am in love with the Shea Moisture's African Black Soap Mud Mask, but I cannot find it anywhere, and I honestly don't think that they sell it anymore. So if any of you guys out there know if there's somewhere I can get it, or maybe they're gonna redo it or something, I need to know, because that is the only mask I like to use that really got my like skin looking its best, especially when I'm having breakouts like I am now. So I'm just gonna apply it with my fingers. I usually don't like applying stuff with my nails, but I don't feel like going to go get a brush. And also my nails are gonna get done on Friday anyway, so I don't really care about them getting messed up. Alright, you guys, so we have the face mask on. I really do like the consistency of this face mask. Hold on, I need to put some more on my nose. I really do like the consistency of this face mask, but yeah, so far I really do like it. It helps to lift away impurities while nourishing with antioxidants, so that's really, really nice. So we're going to keep this on for about 10 to 15 minutes. And so yeah, time to wash out my conditioner, take off this face mask. I'm just going ahead and prepping for my shower. Just getting a new razor for my flamingo razor. I talked about this in a video as well. I'll leave links above, down below. But pretty much I'm not going to film my full shower routine because it's the same thing. I do the same thing every time. If you guys want to see the shower routine, I will leave it above in the links and down in the bio, down in the description bar if you guys go and check out. Okay, you guys, so your girl is fresh out the shower. Before we go any further, I'll share with you guys what I did use for body wash. I used my favorite EuniyceMari coconut. Love that stuff. I used the honey pot for my down below. I also used the EuniyceMari to also shave my legs with because it's moisturizing. So if my body wash is moisturizing, I will double it up. And then for moisturizer, we're going to use the Sol de Janeiro Boom Dia Bright Cream. If you guys have not tried this, what are you waiting for? I'm telling you, I think this cream specifically is really great if you are someone who has super dry skin. It has hyaluronic acid in it, which is great for retaining that moisture, and it smells super freaking delicious. So you just want to make sure you just go ahead and lather up. Make sure you are nice and moisturized. For my underarms, I've been using this treatment lately because I've been getting really bad ingrowns underneath my arms. So you guys know I waxed in the not this last time, but the time before that, 2 times I got bad ingrowns. So I've been using this Selfish skincare from the Honey Pot. It's a place out here in LA that I went to get a vajacial, and they recommended this, and I don't use it in my vajacial area. I use it under my arms. And let me tell y'all something, this stuff right here, it works wonders. I haven't had like 1 ingrown since using this consistently after I waxed the last time. I just put it in my hand and just rub it right onto the skin. And it's just a little treatment. Like, I usually don't have to wear deodorant with this either, so I like that. And then we're gonna start to do my face routine before we get into my hair. But before we do that, I want to go ahead and give my bikini some love because my hair is starting to grow back in my bikini area a little bit, and so I want to make sure that I don't get any ingrowns. So we're gonna go in with a facial sheet mask. I have a full review on these bad boys. I definitely need to buy more. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put this on for 15-20 minutes while we do my skincare routine. So I'm gonna go ahead and place it on now. If you guys want to know all about this face mask, I do have a full video. I will link it above, down below. If you ever just want something quick to help with ingrowns, to soothe, give your bikini a little bit of some TLC, I definitely recommend it. So once again, it looks like this, and I'm just gonna place it on my bikini area, and then while I'm doing like my facial and face care and stuff, it just gives it some time to kind of sit. So yeah. Oh, it's cold. It is so cold. So you're just gonna place that on there, you know, adjust it accordingly, make sure it's on there the right way. Perfect. And so you want to have that on for about 15 to 20 minutes. So my skin has been just acting a fool lately. It has not been happy at all. It's been very like breaking out and all of that. So I want to really go in with some, actually before we do anything, let's first go in with the face with the eye mask. So we're gonna go in with an eye mask because my eyes need some little extra too. So we're gonna use this Herbal Dynamics Vivid Renewal Eye Cream. I would use my Derma E eye patches, but I need to use this up because I haven't used it that many times, and we are not trying to waste products around here. So this is what it looks like, and you just apply it underneath your eye for about 5 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and we're going to do that. I feel like I'm using a lot, but it's fine. Okay, you guys, so while everything is still sitting, I still have on my eye cream and my mask. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna exfoliate these lips. And I'm going to use the Kapari coconut oil lip scrub. And we're just going to take some and place it on the lip area. And I'm just going to give them a nice scrub. Don't forget your lips. Your lips are very important as well. And I'm just going to scrub them until I feel like they don't need to be scrubbed anymore. Okay. And so now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to apply a lip balm. This is the Laneige lip treatment lip balm, and I'm gonna be doing a review on this. So I like it, but I'm gonna be doing a review on it pretty soon. But pretty much I use a little spatula thing, and I'm just gonna apply it to my lips just to give my lips some moisture. But it makes them feel so good and so moisturized, and it gives them a little bit of a sheen too. So all right, lips are moisturized. I took off the mask off of my facial, and I'm just going to go ahead and rub in or pat in the excessive serum just to make sure all that is absorbed. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to remove this eye cream. So my eye cream is removed. So let's go ahead and let's jump into our face care now. My main thing with this overall self-treating day is that I'm just really wanting to give my skin a lot of treatment and give myself a lot of things that are going to like nourish the skin and kind of give it what I have possibly been lacking, you know, this entire time. So first we're going to go in, we're going to tone with the Dr. Zenovia Clear Complexion Glycolic Pill Pads. I'm just going to go ahead and grab one of those, and I am going to tone up my face with this. You guys know I had told you guys I love these glycolic pads, like, oh, you guys. I'm gonna go in with the Dr. Zenovia Retinol Recovery Eye Cream, and you guys know I am not a big eye cream girl, but lately, since I've been getting it, as in like, you know, PR packages and stuff, I've been using it because, hey, it can't hurt. And on top of that, I feel like a good eye cream, it's good to have, to keep your eyes looking as young and as good as possible. I prefer eye mask treatments like the one I used before, because I really do feel like those can give you that shot of hydration to the eye because they just sit on there. I don't know. I like eye mask over eye creams. I like Dr. Zenovia a lot, the products. I'm really confident in the product, and I really feel like, you know, these are beneficial. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that onto the eye. I apply it on top of the eye as well as under the eye area. For the last thing that I'm gonna use for my face, I wanna treat. So we're gonna use the Advanced Retinol Night Repair Treatment by Dr. Zenobia. And I'm just gonna go ahead and take a pump or two. It's pretty thick. And pretty much what this product is going to do is that it is going to diminish the appearance of acne and scarring. And that is right up my alley currently because I have a lot of that going on. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to apply it all over my face, especially my cheek area. Alright, so now that the face is all done, we're going to go in for a treatment for my eyebrows. I've been using the EWC Groom Brow Building Serum just to kind of give my eyebrows a little something, make them a little bit thicker because your girl, we a little thin. So we just gonna go ahead and we just take it and I just brush it on. Listen, I have no shame in my game either. Like, I put it on something thick, okay? But just a little something treating the brow area. The body's treated, the face is treated. So now we are going to move on to this hair care, and we are going to be blow drying my hair out. So let's get to it. And this is the brush that I wanted to use to blow dry my hair with. Just a regular old paddle brush. I got some heat protected by Hask, so we're going to use that, and we're going to go ahead and get started. I do have this SHR rated blow dryer with a nozzle. So we're just going to go ahead. I'm going to jump right into it. I don't want to make this video too long, so this part definitely most likely will be fast forwarded. So I am back, and my hair, I blow dried it and I put it into like this kind of like low bun situation. My whole self-care routine, I actually feel like now I just want to go to sleep and just chill. Like, I don't want to do anything. That was a lot to do, but nonetheless it was needed, and I feel rejuvenated and I feel great. I will leave everything, all links down below in the description box. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video.